Let's make the America famous dish. Potatoes. Peel the potatoes, one by one. Corn flour, red chili flakes, salt, egg. Mix well properly. All ingredients quantities are listed in my description box. Let's make the shape of hash brown. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Make the shape one by one. Ready to next procedure. Keep in the fridge for 1 hour. 1 hour later, heat the oil. Add frozen hash brown one by one. Fry low-medium flame. Side change. Fry golden brown. Ready to serve. Too crispy and crunchy. Make and enjoy America famous recipe at your home. Bye.